Oh, this way, this way.
I comb your hair. Oh, it's time to comb your hair, huh? You take a shower. Now it's comb your hair. You have so many hair, right? You're like a princess. You have so many hair. We are here under the typhoon. You like it? You like to comb your hair, mister? No, it's okay. Just wait. We need to comb your hair. Stay here, stay. We need to comb your hair. Be a good girl, ha, Mishka? Be a good girl. Stay. Good girl. It's nice to shower today, huh? Did you get a nice shower today? I know you love the water. Oh, look at here, oh. Look at your hair, oh. Look. You have so many hair. Oh, stay there.